Hi everybody, I'm Minerva and I'm a chef, but more importantly, I'm a culinary instructor. So that means I teach other people how to cook. And like many people in the culinary field, I am currently out of a job, but that's not why I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you to ask a favor and to ask you to come and join me for a live cooking class on Wednesday afternoon at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, live from my kitchen, where we're going to be making some Sonoran food. Okay, Sonoran being in northern Mexico, and that's where I'm from. So that's what I like to teach because it's a food that's important to me. And I'm not going to ask for any money for me for this class. Normally, for this class, I would charge something like $60 to $70, depending on where I was teaching. Not all that money goes to me. But I'm going to ask you if you could please, if you have the ability to do so, to make a donation to the Tucson Botanical Garden. And that's in Tucson, Arizona, southern Arizona, one of the places where I am lucky enough to be able to teach, okay? Where they let me run a class, 12 to 16 people, and I get to talk to them and teach them about Sonoran food, about Mexican food in general, about cooking in general. And that's one of those things that's really important to me, just like the garden is really important to me. So if you can join me, please, on Wednesday afternoon at 1 p.m. on Facebook Live. Thanks.
Mommy,